I got Nintendo Switch Lite, and as you can see, it's look like broken. So let's open it and see what happened. No screws on this side, two screws here is broken. This one is also almost broken, and finally I found one. They have two also here, one, and let's open it. And as you can see, I think I have issue on the battery. So this look like the battery is not normal. So let's open this metal plate and see. And yes, the battery is not normal. So I will change the battery. And let's disconnect the battery connector. Now it's disconnected. So first, I just put alcohol here. And after that, it's so easy to open it. And I have these tools to